But part of healing the body is detoxification. I'd like to stop for a moment and talk about fatty liver. Fatty liver has been quite common with usually alcoholics, and that's not a surprising because the huge amount of glucose they're taking. So instead of a little bit of fructose coming to the liver, a huge amount of fructose is coming to the liver, and the liver cannot convert it all to glucose. So then it just stores it on the liver as fat. There's your fatty liver. We're finding fatty liver in people today who don't drink alcohol.
The liver, our body's primary detoxifying organ, plays a critical role in filtering out toxins, breaking down fats, and regulating metabolic functions. However, when overburdened with fatty deposits or toxins, the liver can struggle to perform its duties effectively, leading to conditions like fatty liver disease. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned naturopath and health educator, has dedicated her career to teaching the world about the power of natural remedies in promoting health and well-being. In this video, we delve into 5 powerful herbs that Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends for detoxifying and cleansing your fatty liver.
So here are your bitter liver herbs.
1. Dandelion.
Dandelion. Dandelion as a flower, as a leaf, as a root.
Many people look at dandelion as a mere weed, without knowing that it is a source of nutrients and medicinal compounds. Known for its detoxifying properties, dandelion has been used in traditional medicine to treat liver diseases for centuries. Dandelion is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as calcium, potassium, and iron. It contains bioactive compounds like sesquiterpene lactones and flavonoids, which contribute to its therapeutic effects. Dandelion acts as a diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess fluids and toxins through urine. It also stimulates bile production, which is crucial for the digestion and absorption of fats and the elimination of waste products. By promoting bile flow, dandelion helps the liver effectively process and remove toxins. Dandelion leaves can be added to salads, while the roots can be dried and used to make teas. Supplements containing dandelion extract are also widely available. Regular consumption of dandelion can help maintain liver health and prevent the buildup of toxins. 2. Milk thistle.
St. Mary's thistle, I think you call it milk thistle. Very bitter herb.
Milk thistle, scientifically known as Psyllabum murrhinum, is one of the most well-known herbs for liver health. It has been used for over 2,000 years to treat liver and gallbladder disorders. Milk thistle is native to the Mediterranean region but is now found worldwide. The seeds of the plant contain a group of flavonoids known as silymarin, which are responsible for its therapeutic effects. Silymarin has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help protect liver cells from damage. It stabilizes cell membranes, prevents toxins from entering the cells, and promotes the regeneration of liver tissue. Studies have shown that milk thistle can significantly reduce liver enzyme levels, a marker of liver damage, in patients with fatty liver disease. Silymarin also inhibits the production of free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. This makes it a powerful ally in the fight against fatty liver disease, whether alcohol-induced or non-alcoholic. Milk thistle is commonly consumed in the form of capsules, tinctures, or teas. The recommended dosage varies, but most studies suggest taking 200 to 400 mg of silymarin daily for optimal liver support. Milk thistle supplements are generally considered safe, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. 3. Gensin.
There's another bitter herb called Gensin. It's a root, you'd buy that as a root. And the milk thistle, it's usually the seed.
Gensin, known for its bitter taste, has been used in traditional European medicine for centuries to treat digestive issues and support liver function. The herb is derived from the root of the gentiana plant, which grows in alpine and temperate regions. The bitter compounds in Gensin, primarily secoiroids, stimulate the taste receptors in the mouth, triggering a reflex that increases the production of saliva, gastric acid, and bile. This enhanced bile flow aids in the digestion and absorption of fats and the elimination of toxins from the liver. Bitters like Gensin are not just digestive aids. They also play a crucial role in liver detoxification. By promoting bile flow, Gensin helps the liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with sluggish liver function or those suffering from conditions like fatty liver disease. Gensin is most commonly consumed as a tincture or in the form of bitters, which can be taken before meals to stimulate digestion and support liver function. It's important to start with a low dose and gradually increase it, as the bitter taste can be intense. Gensin can also be found in some herbal teas formulated for liver health. 4. Ginger.
And there's a sweet bitter called ginger.
Ginger contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogal, which have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation, two major factors in liver disease. One of ginger's key benefits for the liver is its ability to improve circulation. Good blood flow is essential for the liver to efficiently process and eliminate toxins. Ginger helps by dilating blood vessels and improving overall circulation, which in turn supports the liver's detoxification processes. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties are well documented. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to liver damage and diseases such as fatty liver and cirrhosis. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps protect the liver and support its ability to heal and regenerate. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of ginger help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells. Ginger is versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Fresh ginger root can be grated into teas, smoothies, and meals. Ginger tea, in particular, is a popular way to consume this herb for its liver-supporting benefits. Ginger supplements are also available in capsule form for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. 5. Lemon.
And there's another sweet bitter called the humble lemon. Lemon is acid where it should be. Where's that, students?
Stomach.
And alkaline where it should be, which is in the tissues.
Lemon, a vibrant citrus fruit, is not only refreshing but also a powerful detoxifier. Known for its high vitamin C content and alkalizing properties, lemon is a staple in many natural detox regimens, including those aimed at supporting liver health. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage. It also contains other beneficial compounds like flavonoids, which have been shown to support liver health. The fruit's alkalizing effect on the body helps balance pH levels, which is crucial for maintaining optimal liver function. Lemon enhances liver detoxification in several ways. Firstly, it stimulates bile production, which aids in the digestion and elimination of fats and toxins. Secondly, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C help neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation in the liver. Lastly, lemon has diuretic properties, promoting the elimination of waste through urine. Vitamin C is essential for the synthesis of glutathione, one of the liver's most important antioxidants. Glutathione plays a crucial role in detoxifying the liver and protecting it from oxidative stress. By boosting vitamin C intake through lemon consumption, you can support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Lemon is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Starting your day with a glass of warm water with lemon is a simple yet effective way to support liver detoxification. Lemon juice can also be added to salads, teas, and smoothies for a refreshing and liver-friendly boost. While each of these herbs has powerful benefits on its own, combining them can enhance their effects and provide comprehensive support for liver health.
These three are such bitter herbs that a lot of people find it easy to take it as a supplement in a capsule or tablet. And if anyone has any liver problems, the liver herbs are important because those herbs can revive and restore the liver. That's the good news.
The synergistic effects of these herbs can lead to more efficient detoxification, improved liver function, and overall better health. By incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, you can support your liver's natural detoxification processes, reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, and promote optimal health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information.